Hey guys, Reset Us, and this is part 60 of Animal Crossing New Leaf, so let's get started. And I really want you guys to wish you, I want you guys to wish you a Merry Christmas, so Merry Christmas, guys. It's not really a Christmas, not actually a holiday, but it's actually a holiday in real life. But Merry Christmas, guys, and yeah. Alright. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas for Santa. Oh, hello. I love the snow, don't you, Hula? So what can I do for you, chat? I heard hide and seek is all the rage these days. How about we kill some time and play a match right now? Sure. I thought you'd be game, so. Now, then, let's get started right away. First, we need to round up some other players. Okay, alright, I'll go over the rules, just in case. The three of us will hide somewhere in town. If you can't find all of us within 15 minutes, you win. We won't hide in stores or houses, so you only need to search outside. And let's get this game. It's ready and go. That's the way to get started with hide and seek. I bet somebody's hiding around here. No. No. Oh, I thought that was. But somebody was hiding here. Oh, hello, Seth. I can't tell by your stretching if you like the snow or not, Nutmeg. So how can I help you? Let's chat. Living alone can get, well, kind of lonely. So it's great to have such friendly neighbors. I know, it's great to have friendly neighbors, and I found you, Keaton. Whoa, how did you know I was hiding here, bro? I saw your freaking feet. The game just started. I still have 2 more friends hiding out there. Will you be able to find them before the time runs out, Duke? Uh-huh, of course I will, idiot. Idiot Keaton. Of course I will. Of course I'll find them. Of course I'll find them. Keaton. No, of course I'm gonna find them. So yeah, of course. Right. Okay, nobody's not around here. Okay, I guess no one's out here. Okay, so I guess we're gonna... Yeah, Keaton. I'm gonna see if somebody's hiding here. Nope. I bet somebody's hiding here. It was like, what? You know, you're not gonna be hiding. Probably not gonna be hiding here. Right? Alright. Oh, Tipper. Oh, you found me? I really found a great hiding place. There's still one of us left, so you're not done yet. You're like behind Flo's house, you idiot. God, Tipper, what's wrong with you? You went to a horrible spot. Where's Barack? Oh, there's Caroline. That was easy. Oh no, you found me. I thought I'd done a good job of hiding too. You're the one expert seeker, Seth. Of course I am. I always knew Seth had good instincts. Even though we lost, I'm inspired by your skills as a seeker. And we have a prize for the winner. Here, please accept a country guitar from us. Oh my goodness, it's an instrument. Hide and seek is a lot of fun, huh? Thanks to you, Seth, I had the best time. You're welcome. You're welcome, Caroline. Here's pants. Alright, let's go talk to Tipper. You know, this still covers nearly everything except all the junk we leave lying around, Bushy. So what did you want, Seth? What's the latest? I really wanted to get a centipede, but I just can't catch one. They're everywhere, but I just can't net one for myself. What's wrong with me, Seth? So could you do it for me? Just one centipede? Centipede? Pede? Sorry, no. That's too bad. I was really hoping you'd help. Oh well, that's okay, Seth. Well, okay. Right. Right. We're gonna go talk to Broccolo. Hey, Seth. The snow is so powdery and tasty looking. Eat it. Anyway, did you need something? Let's talk. This is bad, Seth. I got a package that was meant for Tipper, and I really want to open it and see what's inside, but that would be so wrong. You have to help me resist the temptation to snoop, Seth. Will you please take this package away from me and deliver it to Tipper? No problem. Thanks for helping me out here. Here's the package I was talking about. Oh, and could you please take care of this today? Of course I will. But first I'm gonna see if Persimmon is still here. And do we got a new fruit? And a new fruit is here now. We got some new fruit. Right. A persimmon. Right, we're gonna give that to Dr. Shrunk. Alright. So let's go and talk to Bella. Let's go and talk to Bella. Right, she's in her house. And a lot of people are just like out shopping. Going to retail or something, I don't even know. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Hey Bella. Yay, it's Seth. Coming to spend the afternoon with me, Eeks? So what's going on, Eeks? Wanna chat? You know, one of the things I love most about good old Happy are pear trees. Hey, would you mind giving me a pear? Sure, no problem. Yay, you make me so happy if you get me that, Seth. Now I gotta give her persimmon. But she doesn't want persimmons. And I'm gonna see if Frida's home. Alright. And she is. Hey, Frida. Well, if it isn't Seth, welcome. So what did you want, Seth? Let's talk. I got a little pest in here that I want to get rid of. Oh, not roaches. Ew. No, never. It's my aroma pot. I want to replace it. It's just so very blah. If you find anything I can put in its place, I really appreciate it, Seth. Oh, I can. A balloon dresser. No, a blue bench. None of these can replace in her aroma pot. None of those can replace that. Ready. Right, let's go give. Yeah, we'll go to her. But first, let's go and go to retail actually. Oh, hello there, welcome. How about we change that country to guitar? How about we change that? Cyrus. Yo, Seth, what can I do for you? Squirt. I have a project for you. Oh, a project you say? I'll be the judge of that. Let me see if you got anything that stands out to me. Oh, you got something good. Can I take a closer look? A freaking blue bench. Okay, I guess we'll show that. Ah, so you brought me a blue bench? Okay, okay, it's great. The wood color, that can be redone, no problem. I'll do it for not 109 bells. Meh, some other time. What? Pajah. Fine, Pajah, fine. Shut up, Cyrus. Shut up. Yes, can I help you? I'd like to sell. You want to sell 7D? What did you bring in? I brought in. Yeah, that's it. Is this everything then? I'll start crunching numbers right away. Since I'm paying premium for all these items today, total is an amazing 3,140 bells. Deal. Thank you. Come back with more anytime you like. You're welcome. You're welcome, Therese. Move, move, move. Thank you. Come again. I'm just kidding. What am I doing? Oh, why am I? None of your business, people. I don't do this. I just feel like singing. What? No, bruh. I'm not shaking. I'm just doing the cha-cha. So what's going on? Let's talk. Dude, can we decide a time and a place to meet? Just the two. Why? Well, I was hoping to stop by and see where you're living now. Maybe get some decorating ideas. Let's see, the place will obviously be your house, but I'll leave the time up to you. Sure, come on over. Dude, you're such a sweetheart. Well, can you let me know what time would work best for you? I'm fine with any time after 5 p.m. today, bro. No, I'm fine with 4. Come now. How about 4:10? What? Wait, a minute? What did you do? I need to, like, mentally prepare and stuff. Okay, fine. We'll just do... How about 4:30? Is that a good time? Or 4... How about 4:40? No, 30. What? That's not a minute. I guess 4:50. Really? Okay. You won't like that, Quit. There we go. Just come on. Huh? You wanted to cancel our little play date? Well, I guess we'll have to figure this out another time, bruh. Why don't you come now? You're an idiot. Hate you. Hate you so much. Okay. Alright. Where's Tipper? I can't find her. I can't find Tipper. Where's freaking Tipper? I don't think Tipper should be around here. Tipper! 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 Hello? Hello, Sally. It wasn't me, Broccolo. Ooh, no response. Okay. Hey, Tipper. Hello again, Seth. Think the snow will ever stop, Squishy? So what did you want, Seth? Delivery here. Well, what's this? To Tipper. What? My package was delivered to Broccolo. What is it, I wonder? Oh, that's right. I ordered a neutral wall. But when that one never got here, I ordered a second one. So, now I have to. I hate to ask Seth, but would you buy one? No. No, but what would I do with 2 of them? Well, I guess I can always wear them as earrings. Sorry, Seth. It's really my own fault for ordering 2. Don't worry about it. Yes, but you, haha, I saw you. Get out. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I bet there's a money rock over there. I bet there's a money rock over there. Please, there better be a. No, not freaking. No, no money rock. No money rock. Darn it. Yeah, we'll talk to you in a second, but we'll just give Bella a pair. Hey, you came to visit again, Eeks. What's up? I brought it. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this, Eeks. Here's the pear. My tummy's already growling for it, Seth. Yeah, yummy. The flavor's beyond flavorful, Eeks. Thanks for bringing me just what I wanted. You should totally take some flooring. Thank you so much for that fruit. It's so tasty and good, delicious. It's so good. Okay. One cat. One cat. Oh, hey. Guess what? Tabula tastes even better if you eat it in the snow. Anyway, did you need something? I hand it over. Alright, thanks for delivering that thing to Tipper. So, how'd it go? It went like this. What? So Tipper had already bought a new one? I guess I was too slow, darn. Oh yeah, she bought a new one. You made a mistake, huh? And where's... Yeah, I don't know where Flo is, but... What do you need? Hello, Seth. You know how I always call you Seth? How would you feel about trying out a new nickname, to keep things fresh? Like what? How about Mr. S? Mr. S. Ooh, nice. Yay, I'm so glad you like it. It's settled. From now on, I'll call you Mr. S. Okay, my name's not that long. It's only like 4 letters. She thinks my name is long. Mr. S. Okay, I guess that's a good name. I don't know how it's a good name, but I'll just say that's a good name. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go. We're going to Main Street. To Main Street. And then we'll go and then we'll probably go to Cobble L if they have fortune cookies. Oh, I see at the front door they have 2. They have 2 fortune cookies. Oh, I see that. I see the 2 fortune cookies right there. What? You tricked me! You tricked me for coming in here. Yo, Seth, what a coincidence running you in today, Grumble. So you wanted to talk to me? Let's talk. This place is convenient, but it's got its limitations, don't you think, Grumble? I'll be right back, guys. I just need to charge my 3DS. I'll be right back. Red. 3DS is red. I need to charge it. Be right back. It won't be that long. Probably won't be that long. There we go. Okay, I am back, guys. I am back. Okay. Where were we? Okay, right. We were talking to Groucho again. We end the conversation to him. Alright. And Flo, of course. We gotta talk to Flo, of course. What's in the handmade fact house and one and only Able Sisters. Oh, it's Seth. Crazy meeting you here. Woohoo! So, is there something you need from me? And what's the latest? Yesterday, I read this article called Snowy Mountain December. Apparently, some colors are easier to spot in the snow than others. I gotta get the right clothes in case I'm ever stuck in the avalanche. Woohoo! Okay. Can't believe Caroline would call me. Sally. I can't believe Sally would call me Mr. S. My nickname is Mr. S for Sally, and Keaton's name he called for me is Duke. That's a way good name because my favorite team of NCC is Duke. Wow, what a good name. That's why I like that name. Okay. Alright. Please come again. I will, Abel. I will. Alright, let's go to Club LOL. Yeah, we're going here. Alright. So, yeah. Oh, we're not open for the day yet. Is there something you needed? I brought a snack. Oh, really? That makes me so happy. What did you bring me? I brought you a persimmon. Oh, what do we have here? A persimmon? Don't mind if I do. Whew, that was quite satisfying. Well, thanks a bunch. I should probably return the favor now, shouldn't I? And how about I tell you a really good joke today? Alright, I have to get ready first, so you just wait right here a sec. Thank you. There's Shrunks in the house. My resignation joke is just to cure what ails you. The other day, I ran into an old buddy of mine. He used to say, this company isn't grand enough for a man like me. Someday I'll show them and quit. Well, you know what I said to him? Can I just get fries with that? So yeah, what do you think? I think this is the first time you see my resignation joke. Now you can add one more joke to your joke book. Use that to ability yours to bust out your resignation ability to develop your commute skills. Alright, so let's do what we always do. Laughter. Shyness. Daydreaming. Disagreement. Thought. Sweetness. Love. Bashfulness. Sunniness. Cold chill. Heartbreak. Worry. Sleepy. Sadness. Joy. Inspiration. Sighing. Agreement. Shocked. Fearful. Delight. Pride. Greetings. Aggravation. Outrage. Glee. Happiness. Sneezing. Disbelief. And last but not least, resignation. And that's the end of this video here, and if you guys like this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.